Namaskar. Yesterday we saw about the star of Astam. Today we are going to see about the star of Chitra. This Chitra star is not a full star, it is splitted star. That is, first and second padams of this star coming in the zodiac of Virgo, and the third and fourth padams are coming in the zodiac of Libra. That is the reason this is not called as a full star. Okay, let it be. This Chitra Nakshatra, I mean Chitra star people, in order to get a good life on this earth, to which god they have to pray, in what manner they have to perform the puja, that we are going to see. This star people, they have to worship the god Muruga. Chitra star people, daily they have to make a puja to Lord Muruga, or he is called as Subramanya Swami. And in what manner the puja must be performed? As usual, if you have the statue of 3 inches, 3-inch size of a statue of Subramanya Swami, if you have, well and good. If not, if you have the photo of Muruga, okay, no problem. Now decorate either a statue or a photo of Muruga Bhagavan, and on the head of the Muruga Bhagavan, this star people, they have to keep 2 numbers of hibiscus flower as well as 2 numbers of vilva leaves, and 7 numbers of hibiscus as well as 7 numbers of willow leaves must be kept separately for archana. Now photo is ready with a good alangaram, and now we have to light the lamp to Lord Muruga. In order to light the lamp, you can use either ginger oil or pure ghee, as well as keep clean water. Then as prasadam, what should be given to Lord Muruga means, you would have heard about the item millet, or it can be, you can ask the seller from the shop, thinai powder. It is called as thinai powder or millet powder, and it is available, this millet powder or thinai powder, this is available in all supermarkets. In all shops you will get this. Get that millet powder and get honey. And now honey and millet powder as well as some drops of ghee, pure ghee, must be mixed, and it must be changed in the form of balls, small balls. Like that you have to create, that is, you have to make 7 balls by using millet powder, honey as well as pure ghee. This by using this mixture, you have to you have to make 7 balls, sweet balls. Honey, sweet millet balls you have to make. Minimum 7 balls you have to create, you have to prepare, or more than that, according to your family members availability at home, you can increase or increase the numbers of balls, but should not decrease from 7. And now how to do the puja to Lord Muruga means, everything over, no, that is photo is ready or statue is ready with alangaram, and the lamp is ready, as well as water is ready, then prasadam as well as flowers and leaves, everything available, everything is ready. Now we are going to start the puja. How to perform the puja? Take one hibiscus flower, red color flower. It is not compulsory that you have to keep only hibiscus flower, but also you can have red rose or any other red color good smell flower. And take a red color good smell flower with a willow leaf. One branch of willow leaf as well as one red color good smell flower must be taken, and say Om Muruga Bhagavane Sharanam Namaha, like that minimum 7 times. You have to say the prayer, slogam, and keep the red color flower as well as a willow leaf under the feet of Lord Muruga. And with the flower 7 times you can say the slogam. Without flower, remaining slogam you can continue for 27 times or 54 times or 108 times. It depends upon your availability of time. Now complete the puja, and what is your requirement or demand or what is your prayer, everything can be kept under the feet of Lord Muruga. Definitely your prayer will be fulfilled. But this type of puja must be done till your end of life. Then only day by day you can see the development, upliftment in your life. Okay, what type of development, for example, we can see by doing this type of puja? If you ask this question, the answer is Lord Muruga is very famous to give success in our life. Wherever we go, we will get the success. Whatever good transaction or activities we perform, in that definitely we will get a success. And suppose your spouse, your life partner means husband and wife, you are living together means definitely you will not have problem. Suppose due to any other reason you have been separated, but by doing this puja definitely your life partner will come and join with you. As well as if you have the plan to purchase any building or any land, definitely that dream will be fulfilled. As well as where you are working, there you will be given highest post, leadership post you will be given. As well as where you are working, by providing a leadership post, along with that salary will also be added. So promotion will be given to you, as well as more increment or more salary will also be given by your employer. As well as if you are talking to, simply you will make conversation with the others very happily, or without having any negative thought, you may have conversation with the opponent party or with your friends and all, but they may mistake you for any other reason. But at the time of doing puja to Lord Muruga, this type of conflict will not come. Difference of opinion will be eliminated, and always you will have support of friends, and you will have good love and affection on others. Good love and affection on others. Your affection, love and affection will not affect the life of others. As well as others will also show good love and affection on you. Their love and affection also will not affect you. Generally, wherever we go, we will be given good respect. As well as our position will be always number one position, that is good position. So not only these benefits, but also so many benefits will be given by Lord Muruga by doing this type of puja by Chitra star people. This type of blessing of Muruga is not only to Chitra star people but also to Magiram, I mean Mrugasirisham people, as well as to Avita people. Because Mrugasirisham or Magiram, Chitra and Avita, these three stars are coming under the control of the planet Mars. The planet Mars is controlled by Lord Muruga. The planet Mars is controlled by Lord Muruga. So automatically while doing this type of puja to Muruga, directly from Muruga you will get a blessing, as well as directly you will get a good blessing from Mars planet. So do this puja by Chitra star people and get more benefit and have a nice life. Have a nice day. And as usual, what I inform you regarding contact number, that is, if you have an idea to analyze your horoscope, you can contact me for the number 9840773010. And if you like this video, please share it, like it, subscribe it. While subscribing this video, press bell icon. You can see 3 options. In that all option, if you press, immediately my videos will come and reach you as notification. Thank you.